So, what's up, diamonds and gems? I wanted to come today. I wanted to try this hair wax. It's Friday night and the weekend's here. I'm here to unwind. So, anyway, that was a little extra. I'm jamming in my heart. In my heart, I'm jamming. So, my goddaughter Sam, shouts out to her. She had me try this blue hair wax. And honestly, I don't know the name of it. I don't know the name of it. It's all in a different language, except for this part. I can put the link down in the description below. So I just wanted to try this hair wax because I wanted to do something different. I wanted to be fast. That's really what I wanted. Let me move this mirror. So I kind of, well, hold on, wait, here's the name. Never mind, I can't say it. Never mind, you see that? Again, I'll put it in the description. What is it? Mofayang? I'm hoping I'm saying that right. I'm kind of a little nervous how it's going to color over my blonde. I don't know if yellow and blue is gonna give me green. So we're gonna see. I know it does look good over black hair. And I hope this video turns out well because I have my forward facing. Uh-oh, did I already put a piece in there? Oh shoot, I already did it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna comb my little fro out and then I'm going to start applying this. And then I guess I'm gonna twist it to see what it do. To see what it do. Maybe I should get a spray bottle. So when I put it in, I really don't even know what's about to happen. We just about to see. We're gonna see how fast I can get, all right? All right. When I come back, I'm gonna have a little bit of fro. All right. Yeah, please. Maybe I shouldn't comb my hair dry. I got way more hair than what I thought. Ugh. Hold on. Why is it that like people, I ain't gonna even say black people, I'm just saying people, why don't people read directions before they start? Let's see, let me read the directions. Wash your hair, then take a little of the hair clay to rub your fingers to apply to hair in a bottom up way. In a bottom up way with fingers gently until apply uniformly. Matter needs attention. Please wash with clear water immediately. Y'all, I'm hoping. I'm gonna do a strand test to see. I'm over here knocking my hair out. Get this spray bottle. Don't y'all judge me the way I'm combing my hair. I figure if I break it off, I'll just cut it off. Oh my God. BBs. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hold on. Maybe I should lift this up a little bit because this fro is getting out of control. Don't be laughing at my little bootleg wires back there. Listen, y'all. I had a curtain back there, but I took it. Oh, God. Ooh. Okay. Hold on, let me get this side. I got that ugly face. Look, I got some hair. All right, then, let's see. Okay. Maybe I should get something to dampen this. I'll be right back. Okay. I think the game plan gonna be, I'm gonna dampen it a little bit. Because I want this to dry quick, y'all. You with the ugly face. I'm gonna part it. And I think I'm gonna just, all right, we're gonna do the first swipe. Okay. Yeah, I hear my baby up there screaming or singing. Oh wow, that color took quick. What's it gonna do with them black roots though? Well, it is pretty messy. This is hair wax, so I'm hoping that it washes off. And let me tell y'all, I'm going to the hairdresser Monday. Poor thing, she gonna have to deal with this. I tell y'all, she fussed me out. She probably gonna fuss me out. All right, I'm gonna kind of speed through this part. I'm gonna just rub this through, and then I'm gonna twist it. Okay. Okay, so I wanted to show you all far as me on the black. It almost seems like the blue is better on my darker hair. This is very messy, y'all. It's very messy. I'm nervous to get under the dryer because I'm thinking when I get under the dryer, it's going to be more of a mess. So, look how sexy I am. Yes, sexy. Sexy. Look, I'm gonna show y'all this little black part on my little edges. On my little edges. Now, I might not be able to. That might be too short for me to twist. So I'm gonna just do a finger twist there. Y'all, this is gonna be crazy. This is gonna be crazy. Let me show you another black part so you can see how well it takes on black hair. I think it actually looks better on my black hair than it does the blonde. I think so. I reckon so. I reckon. Okay. I'm doing a couple little twists here. What? You think this look crazy?
I like it, but why did you start doing this?
Because I wanted to change my look. I want to be different.
Now I want to change my hair blue.
You do?
Yup.
We'll change your blue.
Blue squad!
Yes! Blue squad.
Or green team. Or red Ted.
I figure I'd do this for a video.
Or it's cold.
You think it's cold?
Yeah, it's cold. My hands are turning blue. I'm going to turn into a smirk.
A smirk?
You smell a smirk. Mama, I know what would make your videos go faster, okay?
What?
You could use a coder. Yes, ma'am.
Let's see. Let me turn this mirror this way. Look it right here, because this don't work.
I like this.
Yeah. Put it in front of the camera so they can see. Wait, how much are you using?
Not much.
Not much.
Right now I got a mohawk of it.
You might need a comb.
I like this. I'm gonna keep it.
Get a comb so you can comb it through neatly.
I gotta wash my hands off.
Well, you gotta finish putting it evenly in your hair.
This is all I'm gonna use. Oh, that almost got in my eye.
Sorry. Let me see. You need a comb to get it through there.
I don't know what it is.
Or a brush. That's enough. Rub it on your fingers. You're just putting globs in your hair.
No, I have to rub it on my hands.
Yeah. Okay, so I think I have all this in. I'm gonna let my hair dry. I feel like my black part again caught a little bit of the color better than some of my blonde, but we will see this after. I kind of finger twisted the back as I did the 2-strand twist in the front. We're gonna see how it goes. Caleb, is the back of my hair all blue?
Yeah, Mom, a little bit. Not all of it, but it's a little bit.
Wait a minute.
Close enough.
Close enough?
Yeah, close enough.
Well, listen. We're just gonna roll with it. We're just gonna roll with it. I'll put some more on it when it dry. So show the camera your hair. Bend your head down. He didn't put gloves in his hair. So I'm wondering if my hair gonna be fluffy at all or is it gonna be stiff. But we'll see. I'm gonna go under the dryer. Trying to get some of this blonde. You would think that it would have covered the blonde better than it did the black, but it didn't. What is you doing?
I don't know.
Is that what you did? Show your head and do it. Blue gang.
Forget about the green team and think about the green team.
Green gang. No, blue gang.
Blue game.
Smurf gang.
Yeah, we Smurfs. Definitely cook.
Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna let this dry. Hey diamonds. Now, if you want to see this look at my prior video and you'll see how I did this makeup look and how I made my brows to match my hair. Now let me tell you all, I had to record this part the next day. That wax, even though I just dampened my hair, that wax made my hair, it was very hard to dry. So I sat up under the dryer for about 40 minutes and then I took my butt to bed because I knew I didn't feel like doing no makeup. So right now I'm untwisting them. The twist, I will say the wax makes it a little stiff and the wax does flake a little bit. I may come to you all later because I heard about a hair wax that does not flake off. So, but I really do love this blue. Now, if you all remember the top of my hair, it is blonde. And with this blue hair wax, it was kind of like a greenish, tealish, bluish. It was so very pretty. And then the back of my hair where it's darker brown and black, that was just a solid blue. But I think because of my hair is blonde at the top, that I had this nice gradient of color that I could really appreciate. Now I'm trying to figure out how, well, I'm still in twisting, but I was trying to figure out how I wanted the front of my hair to lay with this color. So I'm using my wide tooth comb to kind of loosen up my roots and give the top of my hair some body. Because for me personally, I do like big hair because I got a big head. So I hope you all enjoyed this look. I kind of settled with my hair going to the front of my head. I'm very, very happy with this blue hair wax. I feel like it gives me a variation of look, and I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this and future makeup looks. So make sure that you like, you share, and you subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to watch the video, not the video, but the photos that me and my little baby took, and you can see what his hair looked like the next day. This was so fun. All right, diamonds, I'm out.